I have next to no time, so this is going to be kind of short. Quick background: last night there were a bunch of streams going on. Uh, Somebody was claiming that if you filed bar complaints, that the attorney could then turn around and sue you for defamation per se. And my quick response to that is no. Probably not. Almost certainly not. Um, and if you are being threatened by an attorney for filing bar complaints, then you should let the bar know about that, because that is not the purpose of the bar is to protect the public. So, and bad attorneys do a lot of harm. Not only do they let people's rights get trampled, but they also set bad precedent. So it's very important that bad attorneys that you have facts and evidence that they're bad get reported. And if you don't, then please refrain. I don't want to see anybody pile on just because they think that their favorite auditor is being slighted. It's if you have actual knowledge of bad behavior on the part of an attorney, then absolutely report it on any attorney. That's what we want. Defamation, there's always the defense of truth. Truth is always a defense to any defamation action. So if what you're saying is true, you are 100%. Any suit that could theoretically be brought for defamation just goes away. If it's true, you're good. The other big thing to think about when you're talking about defamation is privilege. And specifically in California, because that is where this particular attorney, there is in the Business and Profession Codes, it's section 6094 under disciplinary or miscellaneous disciplinary provisions. Part A, communications to the disciplinary agency, that would be the California State Bar. So communications to the disciplinary agency relating to lawyer misconduct or disability or competence, or any communication related to an investigation or proceeding and testimony given in the proceeding are privileged, and no lawsuit predicated thereon may be instituted against any person. What that is saying is that if you file a complaint against a lawyer in California because of their misconduct or disability or competence or any ethical violation they may have, disclosing your personal information, something like that, that is absolutely privileged. They cannot sue you on it. Now, if you're silly and you go out and you make a video that says the same thing, what you put in that communication to the bar, that form that you submitted to the bar, is privileged, but your communications outside of that aren't. So it's just a recommendation: if you do file a bar complaint against an attorney, make sure that you don't say anything inadvertently outside of that bar complaint that may expose you to liability. And always just tell the truth. That's always the best defense to anything. Truth is what the auditing community is looking for, if I'm not mistaken. We want there to be sunlight on all these actions by these government officials. So let's make sure that we're being truthful ourselves. Anyway, happy auditing, and I hope I've allayed any fears that anybody may have had about filing a bar complaint, as long as they told the truth.